How to fix WhatsApp microphone problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can fix the WhatsApp microphone problem. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you want to fix the microphone problem on WhatsApp, basically whenever you have the microphone issue, you will not be able to send voice messages because you're having the microphone issues, right? So in order to fix this, first of all, long press the WhatsApp app icon. Tap on the I button to come to the app info page there. Then once you basically come to the app info page over here, you'll come to the option called permissions. From permissions, you want to simply go to the option called microphone. So when you select microphone and tap on it, you want to select allow while using the app. If you set to don't allow, WhatsApp is not able to use your microphone, so you want to make sure to allow the permission. Then only after you've done that, go to storage and clear cache from the watermark. Do not clear data because that will reset the app and all of your chats are going to get lost. And also check if the WhatsApp app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. This way you'll be able to fix WhatsApp microphone issue. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.